Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you how I like to clean cloth seats for my mobile detailing business. The tools I'll be using is a citrus-based all-purpose cleaner, a spot remover, and all I'm going to do is take a little bit of each of them and put them in a spray bottle and dilute it down with water. I will also be using my Mytee Lite 3 80/70 heated carpet extractor along with my drill brush and a microfiber towel. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my citrus-based all-purpose and my spot remover solution and spray it all over the seat. Now I'm going to take my drill brush and agitate the solution on the seat. Alright, so now if you still see some heavy stains, you're going to hit them with your solution and drill brush again. Now what I'm going to do is take my Mytee carpet extractor and extract all the solution and moisture from the seat. Alright, so now the final step I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my plush microfiber rag and I'm going to remove any of the excess moisture from the cloth. Alright, so here's just the final outcome of the seat. As you can see, it removed all the dirt and stains. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one.